you got a better camera than me.
My phone is actually older. It's an older model than yours, though.
Mine's has worse view than yours does.
Well, I turned down my brightness.
How do you turn down the brightness?
Tap. And then I'll have like a little module with a sun. I gotta switch hands.
It's still the same for me. I tapped it.
Oh, it comes unfocused for me. Like, that guy's head is in the way. I just try and keep my focus on it.
It keeps going into the same spot it always is in. It's a Fox News helicopter.
Trying to keep the American flag in this all the time.
And now they're flying away. It's Fox News. Why are they flying away? Oh. I should have gotten a drone from Ollie's. It's like, what, $60 for the drone? Meanwhile, they're way more than that. $16, $20, I think? Not
Well,
bad.
a drone with a camera is like almost $100.
Yeah, theirs is 20. There's good stuff over there that's pretty cheap. They've got a Johnny Lightning, it's cars, and it's like cars and stuff. And they're $7 at Walmart. Meanwhile, they're $3 over at Ollie's.
I don't know if they have Ollies here.
I don't know. Maybe they do, maybe they don't.
They probably have like Dollar Trees and stuff. I haven't ever seen an Ollie's anywhere besides the one singular location that they have in
Yeah. I think there's two. Whoa.
There may be two. Oh my.
My goodness. Why is it?
Greatest country ever. Hey, you can flip your camera in the middle of recording. I can't. I don't know how that works.
Goodness.
They probably all have these all like timed out.
Yeah. I wonder if
Yeah.
they're gonna have like a that might be the big one. That was it. Yep, that was it.